Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you can tell by the title of this video, today we are making alkaline vegan apple and blueberry turnovers, so let's begin. Now you'll notice that I added too much water, so I am going to be adding flour in a couple of series just to make sure that I'm able to get my dough to form into that smooth ball that I was looking for. Y'all, I apologize for how much the camera is shaking and moving. I was clearly kneading my life away. And in a second, you'll see me rolling it out with a lot of force as well. So the camera's gonna keep shaking, but either way, you get the point. Now these are the apple ones. These are pretty much our go-tos. I did make a last minute decision and decided to go with the blueberry ones, which you'll see here. What I would do differently next time is instead of using frozen blueberries and defrosting them and just adding some agave to them, I would definitely probably use fresh blueberries because they got pretty dry. And we're gonna do a little aquafaba wash to help with the browning. Then we're gonna throw them in the oven and that's it. You take them out, you let them cool, and then you serve them up. And they were delicious. Like I said, those blueberry ones got a little bit dry, but the apple ones were delicious as always. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely catch you guys in the next one. Bye.